Continuation of Lesson 1, John's Daily Life Easy Household Chores. Meet John, a busy professional who lives in a small apartment in the city. John's day starts early, at 6 a.m. The first thing he does is make his bed. Then, he goes into the kitchen to make breakfast. He makes coffee and toast, and then he eats breakfast while he reads the newspaper. After breakfast, John gets dressed and goes to work. He works in an office, and he usually works from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. When John gets home from work, he is usually tired, but he knows that he has to do some household chores before he can relax. First, John goes into the kitchen to clean up the breakfast dishes. Then, he goes into the living room to vacuum the floor. Next, he goes into the bathroom to clean the toilet and the sink. After he has finished cleaning, John is finally ready to relax. He usually watches TV or reads a book before he goes to bed.